The Lexus RX is a luxury SUV that has set the standard for elegance, comfort, and innovation in its class. Known for its refined design, advanced technology, and smooth performance, the RX delivers a premium driving experience that blends sophistication with practicality. With spacious seating, cutting-edge safety features, and a choice of powerful engines, including hybrid options, the RX is designed to meet the needs of modern drivers who seek luxury without compromise. Whether for daily commuting or long-distance journeys, the Lexus RX offers a serene and comfortable ride, embodying the perfect balance of style and substance. Introducing the all-new 2025 Lexus RX, a harmonious blend of cutting-edge design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, reimagined for the modern driver. The 2025 Lexus RX redefines luxury with a striking exterior design. At the front, the iconic spindle grille has been updated with a bold, more sculpted form, flanked by sleek triple-beam LED headlights that create a sharp, modern presence. Every line and curve has been crafted to enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. From the muscular wheel arches to the coupe-inspired roofline, the RX offers a perfect balance of elegance and sportiness, sitting confidently on its available 21-inch alloy wheels. At the rear, the RX continues to impress with L-shaped LED taillights that emphasize its wide, stable stance. A sleek rear spoiler and dual chrome-tipped exhausts complete the look, ensuring the RX stands out from every angle. Step inside, and the 2025 Lexus RX greets you with a cabin that's meticulously crafted for comfort and style. Premium leather seating, ambient lighting, and hand-stitched details create an atmosphere of sophistication and refinement. The driver-focused cockpit is designed for ease and control. The 14-inch multimedia touchscreen gives you access to Lexus's latest infotainment system, offering seamless navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto connectivity. With ample room for 5 passengers, the RX doesn't just deliver luxury in the front. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, premium finishes, and a panoramic moonroof that floods the cabin with natural light. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus RX comes equipped with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, delivering an impressive 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. This engine provides smooth, confident acceleration, whether you're merging onto the highway or cruising through city streets. Paired with a refined 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the RX offers a balanced and responsive driving experience. For those seeking even more efficiency, Lexus offers hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, ensuring there's an RX for every driving style. With Lexus's Drive Mode Select system, you can switch between Eco, Normal, and Sport modes, adapting performance to your mood and driving conditions. The result? A dynamic and versatile ride that's as comfortable as it is thrilling. The 2025 Lexus RX, a masterpiece of luxury, performance, and innovation, crafted to elevate every drive.